मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे सेंसेक्स टुडे, और सेंसेक्स के बारे में आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे। सेंसेक्स टुडे निफ्टी लाइव अपडेट्स। निफ्टी फॉल्स टुवर्ड 25,550. Wipro snake and 9% post result. Sensex today's stock market live updates aim to measure development for the Nifty 50 index 25,600 on the downside remains an important level one that the bull have managed to defend all through last week. Sensex today's stock market live updates multiple moving parts grade the Nifty 50 at the start of the new trading week. Firstly, the index move will be subject to three of its biggest constituents: Reliance Industry, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank reacting to their quarterly result. Second is the risks of the statements surrounding the global markets after US President Donald Trump yet again raised his tariff rhetoric to query Greenland. Third, remain the rate of conviction to the bull have at higher level, which Friday became a case in point. Despite a 5% jump in the Infosys rub-off on other IT stock capital market names doing well, the Nifty could not sustain the intraday high of 25,873, ending nearly 200 points of those level. 25,600 on the downside remain on important level on. Thus the bull have managed to defend all through last week. Nifty Bank will be the bigger index to the watch as multiple bank will be reacting to their quarterly result. BHEL, Hindustan Zinc, IRFC, HAVEL, L&T, Mindrest and some important earning today. We'll watch this space for all the live updates. Sensex to the stock market live updates post result reaction. Wipro fall over 8%, Reliance nearly 2%, ICICI Bank nearly 3%, while NetWeb gains nearly 10% post Q3 result. Sensex to the stock market live updates market opening. Market opening lower all major indices are in the red, Nifty below 25,700. Sensex to the stock market live updates rupee radar. Rupee SEK, rupee opens at 90.70 per dollar vs Friday close of $90.87. Sensex to the stock market live updates. Silver breaks new record. Silver crosses 3 lakhs per kg on MCX for the first time. Sensex to the stock market live updates stock to watch. Here are some stock watch for our